4 times already?
I'll give it a 10 actually.
Maraming nangyari.
Ni hao.
Ni hao, Manila! Host GK po ang inyong kasama ulit for another episode of Ni Hao Asks Man on the Street. But as you can see, wala tayo sa streets of Manila today because it is a very special episode, lalong-lalo na para sa mga kagaya kong mahilig manood ng sine. Most especially if you enjoy animated feature films. Yes, today we will be getting the reactions, di ba? Ang kanilang mga opinion. Wow! Ang ating mga recommendations maybe ng ating Filipino audiences as we get to enjoy and feature, of course, the sequel to Ne Zha, which is Ne Zha 2 that is showing and screening live right here sa Lucky Chinatown Mall. Nako, hindi lamang ang ating cinema, hindi lamang ang mga graphics, hindi lamang ang kwento, but syempre, kasama na din doon ang Chinese way of storytelling and how it pairs, of course, with the established na mga style ng pag-animated na storytell ng mga alam natin nag-e-exist na ngayon sa mundo. Nako, exciting ang araw na ito, and syempre, we'll get to know also about mythology, iba't ibang mga factors, di ba, na ngayon ay iba na ang impact sa ating modern society. Nako, excited na akong makinig sa kanilang mga reaksyon at syempre manood din ng Ne Zha 2. Live na live yan dito sa Ni Hao Asks Man on the Street with host GK. Kaya tara na, duda tayo ng sine.
Ni Hao Asks.
I did watch the first movie around 2020 or 2019.
2019, yes. It was released in 2019.
I think it was great.
Ah,
It was great. So I was excited to watch the next film.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to seeing maybe new things. I'm excited to see maybe there's some movements,
Yes.
better animation or graphics.
Yeah. How do you think movies like Ne Zha can bring folklore, mythology, the Chinese culture to the modern audience?
I suppose most of the time, given the Chinese folklore and like the history about it, they're usually about teaching morals to the kids and to the adults, and like not just about kids stuff or like adult stuff.
Yes.
It's perhaps about business things as well.
Ang galing kasi sabi ng tatay namin, pinipilahan daw po sa ibang bansa.
Correct.
Mas may kikita pa rin natin yung kabutihan na mas nangigibabaw pa rin yung sa isang tao, lalo na pagdating sa family.
Correct.
Di ba ganun ka-strong yung mga Filipino-Chinese kung paano sila nagiging family-oriented. Ganito yung movie na yun.
Sobrang fun po. Hindi namin inasahan na hindi lang siya pambata.
Yes.
Kahit sa ano.
Siguro yung talagang pagkakaano po, yung talagang mas thicker yung blood. Yun sa family.
Blood is
Basta,
thicker than water.
close family ties. And yun yung talagang sobrang na-appreciate din namin sa Chinese culture na andyan po talaga yung pagtutulungan.
Isa sa mga nagtitrend na reasons kung bakit nga daw sobrang worldwide yung success niya ay dahil hindi siya, kumbaga, titinan mo pambata siya, pero may deeper nga na mga meanings at mga themes. Watch the first movie also.
This is my fourth.
4 times already! Wow! Grabe yun! Hindi nga ito exaggerates. Sobrang overwhelmed ako. Ang dami-dami pong nangyari. But first, let me say, wow! Wow, wow. Congratulations, Ne Zha 2! That was amazing! Epic, epic, epic sequel na deserve na deserve. Ayan, ang success na ini-enjoy niya ngayon. Grabe, from its release in January nitong taon, 2025, it already has grossed over $2 million and more pa, counting, di ba? And after watching today, I totally can understand why. Grabe, our Chinese filmmakers, itong animated film industry natin from China is doing really well. And dapat bigyan ng chance. Dapat panoorin at syempre enjoyin din. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect yun. Kami ng mga kasama kong nasa loob. And I'm pretty sure lahat din ng mga tatanungin natin, di ba? Lahat sila parang na-shock, actually, pleasantly surprised. There was a little bit of traditional natin na Chinese na storytelling, mga stock natin na characters. Plus, syempre, cutting edge pa ang technology, ang CGI, ayan, ang animation mismo na ginamit nila to execute this wonderful story. There's a little bit of Disney there, there's a little bit of Pixar there, there's a little bit of Japanese anime there, but all of that, sobrang smooth nilang na-mix into this epic masterpiece. Grabe. Kung pwede lang, manunood pa ako ulit. Ayan, kasi ang dami-daming details na pwede mo ring ma-miss with how they told the story and kung paano sila nakapunta doon sa epic na final battle na yan. So, no spoilers muna tayo. Invite ko na lang kayong manood. Grabe, I cannot stop talking about it. Gusto kong magtuloy-tuloy lang na magkwento at ikwento na yung buong kwento sa inyo. Pero dapat ay panoorin niyo po siya para full ang experience. Yes, to our Chinese animated filmmakers, ayan ang ating Chinese cinema syempre at ang community natin na nanonood at sumusuporta sa mga films and ventures na kagaya nito. Naku, ituloy lang natin. Grabe, it's not just a cinematic experience, it is also a cultural exchange. And I'm pretty sure na ang mga nakasama nating Pilipino na nasa loob at nag-enjoy ng pelikulang ito, sobrang nakaka-relate din. Sobrang nalalaman din nila where they are in that story. I think dahil nga isang region lang naman tayo, Asian region lang naman tayo na nakaka-relate sa isa't isa. Ngayon, aantayin natin ang mga batchmate ko. Yes, ang mga nasa loob na nag-enjoy pa ng kanilang credit. Baka may after credit na na-miss natin. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kanilang reaction at sasabihin tungkol sa Naja 2 when they come out in a while.
Nihao asks.
Sobrang niya. Yung istorya, maganda yung takbo.
Yes.
Sobrang maraming nangyari.
Ang daming nangyari. I can relate. Ang daming
Sobrang
nangyari
dami.
talaga.
Mas nakaka-relate ako dun sa mga cartoon kasi kayang i-relate ng gumawa o ng artist ko na talaga yung dapat. Kasi pag tao, hindi
Pag
dapat.
live action.
Pag live action, hindi
Pero mga nami-miss out.
nami-miss ko.
The Filipino na perspective naman. Why do you think na dapat ang mga Filipino audience, ayan, na nandito, syempre, ay manood din ng mga ganito?
Hindi lang naman pagka-change or ano yung movie na to. Hindi na siya pang-Pilipino. Kasi syempre tayo, pag Pilipino din tayo, may mga movies din tayo na napapanoodin nila.
Correct.
So, para sa akin lang, nag-enjoy naman ako. So, mag-enjoy din naman sila.
From high, tataas pala yung expectation ko.
Best animated movie I've ever seen.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, what was the best parts about it, sir?
Maybe the moral lesson at the end.
Yeah.
Bad and good, evil and good are not what you really expected.
Yeah, it's not really what you think most of the time. Wow.
I guess there was like a lot mga references din kasi sa mga current culture ng mga Chinese, and at the same time they didn't really make it more exclusive for Chinese. They also add like memes that many millennials can really, or like Gen Zs can relate to since from the internet, famous memes, stuff like that. Beyond that, they also did a mixture of 2D and 3D animations.
Iba't
during
iba.
Yeah.
Oh, may
And
2D, 3D.
They made it in a sense na hindi siya off, it actually worked.
This is Jasper after Naja 2.
It's really great. We give it that. There's some plot twist, and I didn't really go really that weird. And it's really exciting to see. Perhaps there's a sequel after this trailer.
There probably
Probably,
is.
yeah.
So spoiler alert, everybody.
It's a lot more complex than the first one,
Oh.
which I really like.
Wow.
And it's just really great. And I would recommend a lot of people to watch it.
Wow. Great that we get a comparison here from somebody who's watched the first movie and then the second one.
I'll give it a 10 actually.
10 out of 10! What a day! Yay! At the Lucky Chinatown Cinema. Congratulations, Naja 2. At maraming salamat sa mga nag-share ng kanilang reaction, opinion, at lahat ng nakasama naming mag-enjoy ng epic na moving ito. Do not miss it. It is still available in select cinemas here in the Philippines. Kaya naman nood na kayo ng Naja 2. Hanapin nyo na yan. Ayan. At share nyo rin ang inyong mga reactions, comments, opinions, recommendations sa ating comment section. This has been Host GK for Ni Hao Asks Man on the Street, a very special episode dito lang sa Ni Hao Manila. Ni Hao Manila. Ni Hao Manila. Ni Hao Manila. Ni Hao Manila.